In just the last hour, we learned all Palm Beach County schools will close Thursday and Friday ahead of Hurricane Irma.
We'll get to the Treasure Coast in a moment, but News Channel 5's Andrew Lofholm is live at the Palm Beach County District headquarters with this afternoon's decision from Dr. Avossa. Andrew?
Here's the plan from right from Dr. Avossa, the head man here at the Palm Beach County School District. School day tomorrow will remain normal, but all after-school activities, with the exception of aftercare, will begin closing. That includes sports activities, but aftercare, that will close starting tomorrow at 6 o'clock tomorrow night if you're a parent that participates in that program. Now, the plan for the schools then would be to start transforming them into shelters. There's enough room in the local schools here in Palm Beach County to fit up to 50,000 people. There's some specially designed schools that can withstand hurricane force winds. Here's the message Dr. Avossa had for the students and the employees here at the school district.
I ask that the 25,000 plus full and part-time employees do everything they can to prepare themselves, their families, and their loved ones for this storm. Take it seriously. I think if you look at Harvey and the lessons learned there, it's a major metropolitan area, and South Florida is no different.
Now, Dr. Avossa says tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock he has a meeting with the Emergency Operations Center to decide when to open up those shelters. It says ultimately that comes down to the county's decision, but he said it's possible that those shelters could open starting tomorrow night, so something to keep an eye on. We'll be sure to keep you updated on that. But we're now live in Palm Beach County. Andrew Lofholm, WPTV News Channel 5.
Let's move on to